Hello, welcome to this video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in the state of Alabama. And the question we'll be answering today is, if somebody's coming to me to talk about maybe a foreclosure that's about to happen, or even one that did happen, we will say to them, we need a timeline. So the question is, why do I need a timeline to meet with you? Whether we're talking about Alabama state law or federal law, the FDCPA, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, a lot of times that applies to mortgage companies, and certainly RESPA, R-E-S-P-A, as a federal law that applies to your mortgage company in almost every situation. So why do we need a timeline? Well, I need a timeline because when I can look at that and see, okay, here's the foreclosure, either when it happened or when it's threatened to be happening, and then we start backing up and we say, all right, well, when did you fill out a loss mitigation package? Or when did you have this conversation? Or when did you send in your payments? Or when did the mortgage company not respond to your letters? Or they did respond to your letter? All sorts of things. That helps me to see, was there a violation of the law? So, for example, under RESPA, you can do letters called notice of error letters. We have video on that. Request for information letters. Again, we have video on that. And there are very strict time limits that the mortgage company must follow when they get your letter. So you send them a letter, they get it, they have 5 business days to acknowledge it. And then from the date they get the letter, 30 days forward, now they have to substantively respond to it. So if you ask for information, they have to give you information. You say, hey, you made an error. Maybe an error in denying my loan modification, or rejecting my payments, or force placing insurance, or putting this on my credit report in a certain way, whatever it is. So they get that notice of error letter on this day, 30 business days forward, they've got to respond and say, either we did not make an error and we're not fixing it, and they better be right when they do that, or, okay, we made an error, we're going to fix it. As far as the timeline to foreclose, there's a certain period of time that has to pass by before they can actually do the foreclosure. If you apply for loss mitigation, things such as a loan modification, within a certain period of time, it has to immediately stop the foreclosure. So dates are very, very important in a foreclosure case. Maybe more important really than any other type of case that we handle. So when we ask for a timeline, it's not just to make you do work, okay? We're not in the business of doing that. We're saying, help me understand these dates going all the way back here, everything that happened up to the foreclosure, if it's happened, or the threatened foreclosure. And then when we can look at that, we can talk about that timeline together and say, did they do something wrong? If they did, what are your options? Or, hey, has the mortgage company done everything right? Okay, well, what are our options now? So I hope that this is helpful to you. If you would like more information, maybe you're facing a foreclosure, you've already had a foreclosure, give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can contact us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Look forward to talking to you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.